How to select an IVF specialist? This is a $1,000,000 question that comes to every couple's mind who is not having a baby. So it doesn't need that you are not having a baby, you are wanting IVF. If they want a fertility specialist also, then they also think, who should I go and visit? Like there are million products available in the market, so there are million doctors who are IVF specialists. So everybody gets confused. So there are a few like points, there are few markers, like you have to check all those things, that whether these are there or not. Firstly, the availability of the doctor is very important, that the doctor is available, that the time, the appointment time that the doctor has given you, the doctor is sticking to this time. Means that the doctor is thinking that your time is as precious as the doctor's time. That is very important. The behavior of the doctor is also very important, that how the doctor is behaving with you, whether the doctor is shouting on you, whether the doctor remembers you or not by names, whether the doctor is showing patience towards you or not. So it basically, whenever you get a IVF done, it is like a teamwork. It is like a boat in which all three are rowing. 4 people, means the doctor, the embryologist, the couple is rowing. So every time the oar of the boat is like in rotation, it is given to all these people. So it is very important that how the team is, how the behavior of the doctor is, whether the doctor considers you like that or not. The doctor has discussed with you all the points or not about the egg, embryo, what is going to happen, subsequently what all side effects are going to happen on your body, or what the patient is supposed to do. So this behavior, this connect, this trust between a patient and a doctor is very important for a IVF to be successful. So then there comes the skill. The skill is also very important for a doctor. So the doctor has to be skillful. The doctor who is deciding your IVF cycle has to be in the loop throughout. Like you are cooking a food, so if you are making a specific recipe, you understand very nicely that you have to be there into the recipe from the beginning to the end to make it a good recipe, to make it a hit in common language. So to make your IVF a hit means a success. It is very essential that the doctor is deciding that why they are doing the IVF cycle, what is the cause for doing the IVF cycle. Many patients, they get the IVF cycle done, they don't know why they got it done. So like IVF is a very broad term, how we are doing, what investigations we are going through. So there are many like small loops into it, and you being a couple, you should be aware of everything, that okay, this is a male factor, now we have to go through this route. This is a female factor, in this female we have got a tubal factor, so these extra tests are needed for me. It's not necessary that if there are 100 tests, all 100 tests will be done on you. So it is a customized thing. The doctor has to give you a customized thing. Fourthly, who is doing the ultrasound, who is taking out the eggs, who is going to put the embryos back. This is very important. So the doctor has to be there, the skilled doctor for whom you have come. That doctor has to be there for your OPDs, for your OPUs, means your ovum pickup, for your embryo transfer. Then only a combination of this is going to give you a success. Fourthly, the teamwork is also very important, how the embryologist is, how the IVF lab is, because there the embryos are going to be kept, it is going to be made. So the embryos are made by an embryologist, so how your embryologist is, how much like skillful the embryologist is, that is also very important. Secondly, the lab that is given to him, the infrastructure, that is has to be very good. Fourthly, when you are sitting in the like the reception area, waiting area, then you are waiting for your doctor, you are waiting for some procedure to be done. You can always talk to the patients and take feedback from them. You can always Google your doctor, because nowadays Google is there. When we were in your med schools, there was no Google, but now there is Google, and Google is like the best, like a person who is going to show you the way. And plus you can take follow up from all those feedbacks from patients, whether they be failure patients or they be positive patients. You should take feedback from all, because then failure patients also do tell you that okay, this doctor has worked on you, this doctor didn't work on you. So these all things do matter whenever you decide a fertility specialist, that who is going to treat you further, because you are like putting your whole life into it when you are going for a fertility cycle. And then obviously you want result, but in fertility you don't know whether the result is going to happen or not, because there are many factors and the fertility cycles are never 100% sure. Like if you go through, you read through many papers, you will just see how many times the celebrities have also undergone IVF cycles. Then you will be aware what I am trying to say. So in that case, a bonding is very important with your cycle, with your doctor, because it is not essential that the journey will be only for 1 month, 2 months. It has to be a long journey. It might be a long journey, it might be a very small journey. Plus the bond has to be there, and it will be remain forever. Whenever you take the child also, believe me, our patients, they do send us many pictures of the babies they delivered. They send the pictures on every birthdays of their child. So it's a bond, a doctor and patient bond, that is very important. And so your selection also matters a lot, and you have to select the best because you want the best.